So, back again. Today I'm going to try to get the gas tank cross member out. I don't have a lot of time, but it's a beautiful day, so I figured to come out here, open the door up, and try to have a good time. My girlfriend and the kids are on their way down, so I've got a little bit of time, and I got some other plans later in the day. But part of the fun part of having my job, I work for 2 weeks and I'm home for 2 weeks. Well, I'm about out of time home, so I'm trying to squeeze in some extra time here. I'm going to try to get this gas tank cross member. I got like one more rivet and grinding all that nastiness off the other side. Yeah, that'll be interesting. But got a new wheel on the grinder. It's time to get to work. One thing I want everybody to think about a little bit. If you don't mind, I need some suggestions. I'm obviously going to paint the whole back half red. I'm going to paint the whole frame red. Do you think I should paint the link bars white or red? I haven't decided if it'll be too much red if I just paint everything red, or how I want to go about that. So any suggestions, I will gladly take them. So keep an eye out. Hopefully you like what you're seeing. Like I've said before, I've seen a few of you subscribing, so that's kind of good to see. But if you like what you're seeing, by all means subscribe. There's going to be more along the way. Might be a little far and few between on some of the videos, but I'll always get back to it. Here's the cross member I just cut out of the truck here. Again, I know, well, let's see if we can just focus. It's an older build, but I mean, come on now. And I drove this thing several hundred miles because when I got it, it was really ready. And I hate the transmission went out, because when transmissions went out, then we found this, and then rear end went out, and I hate that. But in the long run, I think I'm gonna come out better. It's just mock-in, so don't get excited if it ain't exactly perfect. But that's an infamous raised gas tank cross member, of course. And on the head, it's got the mounts and everything, so don't have to worry about that. And then, God, it looks so much better than that old one. Doesn't it? Let's do this again. Well, it is 1 in the morning again. Imagine that. Like I said, I had plans today, so really couldn't do a whole lot out here. And it's not too cold, but at the same time, my paint's taking forever to dry, and I'm sure you can tell I've made a little bit of difference this afternoon. Tomorrow, right now, everything is in at least primer. There's some that still needs a top coat of red. Even the primer's not drying very fast, so the top coat's really not drying. So I'm just gonna leave it alone tonight. Call it a night. I've got a little bit to do on the rear end. I'm gonna try to take it tomorrow to the car wash at some point in time, because their pressure washers, of course, gonna do a better job than I can do. And get it scrubbed up real good, bring it back, get it prepped, fluid changed, check it over real good one more time, and hopefully have this thing finished painted tomorrow at some point in time. Of course, it's one of those days I've got a lot of things planned, so I've got to get a lot done in a hurry, but I've also got to relax some because I'm fixing to go back to work before too long. And but everything's going along really smooth. I've got me a new gauge indicator, so angle indicator, I'm sorry, I said gauge. But gonna get in here and find out what the angle is on the original drive shaft and go from there, get it all set up. Like I said, everything's going together really well, so hopefully, it won't be tomorrow night obviously, but hopefully before too long I'll actually have this thing put back together and I can check the pinions and make sure angles don't change none. And I can't wait to get this new cross member put in here, because just that alone is going to make me feel a whole lot better, as bad as that sounds, after seeing that one. Woo! But that's it for today, so hope you've enjoyed this a little bit. I know I didn't get a lot of me painting, because you don't want to see that. But this is one of the better paint jobs I've ever done, I will say that. I am not a painter, straight up about it, never have been. But I'm taking my time and trying to do this one rightish, as right as I can. I don't know, like I said, I'm shooting in the dark and hoping the best. Well, till next time, I'll take it easy.